Anytime something is going a little too well, you can rest assured the universe will even it out with some terrible news. And in today's video, I want to give you an update to something that happened to our $1,000 ChatGPT plus Shopify challenge. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to brief you in real quick and then I'll show you how we're going to get around this so that you also know what to do in this situation. Since this is a very common thing that happens. People get their ad accounts disabled all the time. But if you're new to the channel or you haven't been keeping up with this series, we recently launched a series where we're going to try to make $1,000 of profit through ChatGPT and Shopify. So as you see in this video, we were making some progress and now we got the big old ban hammer, which is of course not fun, right? This completely stalls our progress since I mentioned in the video that the way I want to grow this is through strictly running ads. I don't want to post any organic content because I just want to get things moving quickly and seamlessly. I don't want to have to spend too much time on this store beyond figuring out logistics and things of that nature. But, we can't even do that now. So here's how you'd fix this. When you see this on your ad account, go to see details. And here's the great thing that Meta has now. They've actually improved the support a bit. And as you see here, if you click on support, it'll take you to a tab in which you can actually contact somebody to get support. I've already done this. It will be getting reviewed and hopefully released within the next 24 to 48 hours. This was a mistake on Meta's part. I'm pretty sure this is not a rightful ban. The reason they said they banned my account was for security reasons. They thought my account got hacked, but what's really going on is that one of our team members, one of the members of our crew, has been helping manage this account and he is not from the US. So I think they got a little bit suspicious of that. So I think they will give it back. But either way, the process is the same for any account. You just have to create a case here and explain the reason why this was an incorrect ban, right? And if you do that and you're really nice to the people, they'll try to help you as much as possible. Meta is definitely not known for having amazing customer service, but at the very least, you're going to be able to get in contact with someone pretty soon if you're from the US. I'm not sure how it works outside of the US, but I'm pretty sure it's similar. Either way, this is how you do it. And some of the things that I'm doing in the meantime now are basically looking for more products, just looking for better products to test based on some of the data that we gathered. Even though we're close to breaking even on that first product and the first idea that we got started with, it's not as promising as we would like it to be. So we're going to go back to the drawing board, take this time to just really think of the best possible product to sell, something that's going to be really high quality, really in demand, and be able to scale significantly right off the bat. But in your situation, let's say your ad account got banned. After you appeal your account, some of the things that you can do are posting online content, right? Posting content on TikTok that you can then repurpose for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and try to take the time to really build the community. Again, for the sake of time, I'm not trying to do all that with this store. I'm trying to build it like a machine, and I'm focusing my community building efforts into this community, you guys. But those are definitely things that you should be doing. I mean, it's a no-brainer to do that these days, to try to actually build a community of people that enjoy your products. I think if you're not taking the approach of actually building a value-focused business, it's just not gonna work out, right? I mean, it could work out short term, but I'm telling you guys, don't be short-sighted. Even at the very beginning of your journey, you should always try to think of business ideas that actually benefit people, that actually make people's lives better. And I will say some people do worry when you dropship that like you're being very wasteful and it's low quality goods, but that's not always true. It's just that some people don't care about product quality. They don't care about shipping times. So they won't put the effort to actually make the logistics as seamless as possible. And they'll just do things the wrong way. But there are ways to do this the right way. For example, spending more time finding really high quality products, spending more time making sure that you can ship through a third-party logistics company that can actually ship fast, or maybe an Alibaba supplier that can also ship very fast. These are things you got to think about when building your business. And obviously, it does sound like a lot. It can be very overwhelming, but take it one step at a time. I talked about product research a little bit in the first episode here, but I do want to mention one more thing that I didn't mention in the last video, which is print on demand. So print on demand is an amazing way to build a business on a budget. This is basically what all creators do, is they launch merch lines, right? They usually use Shopify, and they usually use something like Printful where they can drop a ton of different designs without having to order inventory. So Printful has a ton of different products. So if you're some sort of creator or some sort of artist and you have some unique designs that your community would resonate with, and again, this is why building a community is so powerful from the very beginning, then here is a great alternative for you. So embroidered patches, that's actually pretty cool. I didn't know they had these. Mugs are great. Hoodies, shirts with your original designs. That's a great way to start a business, and you can do that on Shopify, and you can definitely run ads to it. I actually think more creators should be doing retargeting ads for their merch lines, just so that they don't have to constantly be promoting their merch line in their videos. It's kind of one of those things that it can probably get annoying for the viewer, and creators always like to optimize for the viewer experience. So that's a great way to balance that out, is to focus on your systems behind your business to drive more traffic and conversions instead of just promoting the store in your videos. I'm sure there's not a lot of creators that watch this, but my goal is to get more creators to start businesses. But I'm beginning to ramble at this point. I just wanted to show you how you can unban your ad account quickly. It's a pretty simple process, pretty self-explanatory, but I figured it would be good to update you guys on everything that's going on with this store. And yeah, that's about it. See you in the next video. Peace.